Give him a chance to what? He talk about chance so early in the morning in Gwe. Nah, nothing to do with no, nah, shit house. Nothing to do with no. I want to kick in your face while you're there on the ground. Oh, shit house.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Boy, people, mama na play. Mama say, I want to kick in your face while you're there on the ground. Boy, people may not have the full details on it, but let me tell you know what going on. So a video is circulating social media, right? After this brother lay down in the middle of the road and bleed out. Now, apparently, allegedly, it's like this brother grab a little schoolgirl phone and run with it, and the schoolgirl chase him down. Zine, now we don't know how him get catch, but him get catch. We don't know if a shot stab or a car lick him down, but the end result is him on the ground and bleed out. Zine, and the people them there and nobody now help him. All the police them forward. And when the police them forward, the police them say, yo, we need help to put him in the vehicle. And the people them say, help boy, we not help him. Make him stay right at ground. Hear that little clip there I play a while ago when mama say, I want to kick you in your face while they're on the ground. You see? No, me don't know. What do you think? That was cool of mama say that. I don't feel like I just frustration. We are Jamaicans sick and tired of them foolishness here. The crime and the robbery and the foolishness that we are going, and people just get immune to them kind of. Yo, talk to me in the comment section. More of you from I wish I could have shown the video, but you know, as usual, we can't show certain things on YouTube. But if you want to see it, check out the Instagram page, Unstoppable TV. Alright, the video is right there. You can get to see for yourself. Boy, the brother on the ground and bleed out people. Jano, talk to me down below. Do you think that was cool for the people them react that way there and never want to help him? I want to hear from you. Now, for the next topic, Zanjama. Yeah, she is a comedian, a Jamaican comedian who always come out with some funny skits. But that one is not funny. She come out and she talk about the Jamaican government and she say, listen, Jamaica government send for people in China because other countries send for them people. So why is it that Jamaica not send for our people them? We heard the recordings of Jamaican students in China. I say, yo, we want to come home, please. Take we home. We want to come home. We don't care whether on a quarantine we are what. We just want to come home. But for some reason, Jamaican government I make the Jamaicans in China stay there. Listen to what Zanjama officer.
I'm looking at the Comments Association on social media. I know what? I can't hide my views no more. I have to come call it out and ball it out. You see, some of the Jamaicans who have no compassion on the heart. Government send for the people them down to China. Send for the Jamaican them down to China. You're not going to tell me say I have no space that Jamaica can put them and treat them and observe them. Look how much bush on them something they grow at Jamaica. Look how much bush doctor can give them herbs and something. You see, if I did Uno and the family in the situation, only that time it means something to Uno. Only it's a terrible savage set of people. Government send for the people them down China. You know, I noticed with the Jamaican, if I don't win somebody, I win in the door with them, and only with people when them rise, not when them a fall. On the door loyal, on the stay so. I not talk the whole Jamaican, you know the dirty percentage of when I talk. Government send for the people them down at China, on the too wicked. The people down there study for the doctor, and guess what? The coronavirus never come out. Guess what on that do? When she done study for become doctor, and claim her up and own her up, son to do with everybody all the while. Anytime them a win, them a on clap, and anytime them a lose, them can't find enough to still give them a pat on the back. Uno is a terrible, savage set of people. Government send for the people them down to China, you hear? We don't know what the big heap of excitement for about coronavirus and all afraid for get killed and what have you. Look what going down there, eh? Uno afraid for infected by coronavirus. Look how much I know infected with bad mind. I hit me the country I go on, so bad mind infect the whole I know down there. I know not panic. So when I come talk about send for the people them down to China. Your government don't listen to them. Send for the people them down to China. I feel with people them. I feel with brother and sister them. Send for the people them down to China. Oh, it's a terrible set of people. Only too savage and awful. Even if you don't want the government send for the people them down to China. You don't want to hear them and see them in the Comments Association box. How them are go on and how them are behave. No bitter little, encouraging words are not. Them just savage and just don't care. So kawa and a phone, mother, or father, or sister, or brother, or cousin, or auntie, or boyfriend. The person don't relate to the son, don't care, don't have no meaning to no. A son stay no all for themselves and a savage set of dirty people. Sometimes I can't bother to be a Jamaican. God no.
Alright, so I hear what she have to say. What I have to say about that? Talk to me down below. I want to hear from Uno. Because me personally, me agree with her. I agree with everything where she say. You see? Go for the people them. Make the people them forward. If you have to quarantine them, quarantine them. See? In one of the recordings where me personally hear one of the students that say, I don't care if you have to lock we way somewhere until you do proper tests and all of that pan way. But we just want to come home. Me hear that with my own ears. People talk to me down below. More to hear from Uno. Seeing? Now Marvin the Beast. You know Marvin the Beast? Dancer. Him a dancer? Or entertainer? Not too quite sure. Him a Uno tell me still. But, yeah, Marvin a say, boy, people need to stop the bad mind. People need to stop the wickedness. People need to stop hate against one another. And him even go into it and I say, yo, him fear death. You see me? And people are wish death upon people. Listen what Marvin have to say yourself.
Why them not want to see you from one stage to another? Why everybody want to see everybody a suffer, everybody a hungry, everybody stress out, everybody a walk homeless, everybody stink, everybody frozy, everybody can't buy this, can't buy that, everybody a dead for plot hungry. Why don't want to see everybody turn thief and criminal and robber? What make that to no want the youth them for do? Eh? Glad I'm firm, you know, man. I'm glad I'm born as a blood clot Leo, you know. I'm well strong, you know, ever the fight that struggle here, you know. Them can't trick me and them can't stress me out and them can't make me switch up. None of them can never do that. No care you see them a fight and a try and a this and a that and no can't move me. People, wanna for stop wish bad things from people. Them have a saying say, if you not have nothing good for say, do not say nothing. Left people, make them live them life. Make them get happy. Make them gain them wealth and health and them strength and feel good and live good and happy and nice like everybody else. Dirty poor people around me attack. On the need for try to elevate on self too. So rich people are try to fight down rich people. Them now do it. And the people that may suffer like me, that fight down with one another. Because we stop this and help each other to rise up, rise up, rise up. Get up people, because we get together, man. And get ourselves together and everybody get rich and nice and happy like everybody else. Well, if you want to see somebody dead, you don't know what got me when time the person dead. Alright, for instance, not even somebody. Do you know what got me when time you look into your dead and gone? Nobody don't know what's gonna happen. Nobody don't know what's gonna hey, yo, you see every time you think about what's gonna happen when me look when time I'm dead and gone, every time you think about that people, remember goosebumps take me, my fret. Me I say, Jesus Christ. When time I'm dead and gone, what is gonna happen? There's a next life after death. Me I go to heaven, me I go to hell. What go happen? Me I go just disappear so people nobody don't know what's gonna happen, you know. We all don't know what's gonna happen. People wanna show the love, show the respect, show the joy, show the kindness, show the happiness. Just like how you want to be. Try to make a next person be the same thing. Please, me I beg you now. Everybody just preach some love now, man. Preach some love now. Preach some love. Show some love. Stop wish death upon people, because death is nobody. You don't even know what is death. We all don't know what is death, you know. All let's see them are going let them know what is death. Nobody don't know what is death. Because death is a thing when time death come, you're gone. Nobody don't know what's gonna happen. You don't know which part you're gone. People, right now me they are telling about death. And right now me are telling them, me are talk about death and me are fret. Me a fret at telling about that right now. Goosebumps take me if you look at man them. Goosebumps take me right now. Because it's serious. We don't know what's going to happen. We don't know which part we are go. We don't know what going to happen. We don't know if there's a next life. So people, may we live nice and happy now, man. May we share the love now. May we preach the love now. Love, man. Jesus Christ, man, are the greatest thing me ever see. Love. Love are the greatest thing me ever see.
So you hear what Marvin say, right? What do you have to say about that? Talk to me down below. See? I want to hear your opinion. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, I'm out.
I will love spread a rumor. But please don't let our rumor come to reality. You understand? The Prime Minister down there sell out Jamaica to the Chinese them. Chinese take over Jamaica. You don't know see that? Chinese I beat people in a store because them say the people come in they come thief. You understand? No, we Jamaica, we not have the strength and money for medicine, for that the virus, for that the disease where the Chinese them invent, for take care of ourselves down there. You understand me? As we sick and go to hospital the next morning here, so we're dead. Because we don't have the medicine and the money to take care of ourselves. My brother is sick in a hospital. And me talk to my brother the night. And him sit down up and eat fruits. Him did alright. The doctor called my nephew and say they want to give him blood. And my nephew thinks say it's okay for them give him father blood because them same father need blood. And in the morning, him dead. So the blood when them give him, it never good. But you will not have the strength of money for fight the law down there. Them just kill off for people, them just like that. So hear this now. The virus will go around, it has spread. Alright? When you see the Chinese them down there, we have the whole heap of wholesale them on around going and buy up other things. You better be careful. Yeah? You see, if we Jamaican, they still like the Asian, the African, we would have better off. Because them work together and them come together. But we don't work together, we fight against each other, we kill off each other, we talk about each other. And that's why we can't reach nowhere. You understand? But now the time has come for we get together, PNP and Labour, right? The whole of we need to get together. And don't make the Chinese them come kill off the kids them with the disease. Because the disease are going to spread mostly in the school. Because your kids them are go out there, go to school, and them are mixed with all different kind of people. You understand? You know, go in a Chinese wholesale, you don't know who have the disease from who have the disease. Listen to me, them can't come America because them black them off at the airport. Them can't come in. And them are scream the people, them are test them before them land in any foreign country. Only we Jamaica not let people through and now do the screaming and sucker. All we think about is the money. You understand? And the tourists them are coming through the airport. So you know have to get together people down a yard and not make the disease spread out down there, else we now can have place to bury our family. So you know listen to my foolish advice this morning and don't take it for a joke, you know. We who here in America have family down there, we need to see what we can do. You understand? Them come for kill off poor people. Because when you can't go to the doctor up here and get treatment for any little sickness you have, you can't go to the doctor down the yard and get it. Because we can't even buy food down there somewhere, much less to go to the doctor for pay for medication. And now it reached the time where we have to get together, come on, and make them mash up Jamaica, build we want, build our country. A whole heap of where the America work hard in the snow and the cold and buy a little place down a yard. The little criminal them down they make we scared now for come down there because them a kill off the people them. Them red eye for where you work hard for in America. And you come down there now for build a foundation and for help build up your country. And them a kill way off down there. We need to stop. We need to stop and sit down and think. Make we stop afraid for come down. Come build our country. So we not have to buy nothing from the Chinese them. So we can have our own wholesale. You understand me? Because if we not stop right now, the whole of we down there go dead off. You see the disease though. Them name all kind of shit. Them name snake, them name rat, them name rat bat. And now them a come down, they come kill we have down there. You understand the people? People, please, may I beg you. Make we put our head together. Make we communicate and see what we can do for our country. Because enough of we come America and become citizen. Yeah, because we want to help ourselves and help our family. But at the same time, we are still Jamaica. All of we are Jamaican. Remember me telling you, okay, much citizen we turn, we are still Jamaican. Because our roots now leave we. You understand me? But in America, how much years, and I still have my Jamaican accent. I now come here, come chat like me remember my culture. So I beg you, please, in Jesus' name. No make no China come through the airport so you can do safe. You can send a message to the Prime Minister down there, because the Prime Minister don't care, you know. The Prime Minister who in charge down there don't care. See if you can make a message reach to the Prime Minister down there. And see what the Prime Minister can do here. Alright? You have a blessed day. And I hope you take my advice this morning. Because me alone can't do it. Alright?
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.